because there is no sound. I have an idea.
If there was a family, I wouldn't give it nobody.
Wait. How does this work? Oh, a loudspeaker change the electrical energy into sound by using a magnetism. Let's look at the main part. The first part is permanent magnet. This part creates a constant magnetic field. This is essential because it interacts with the magnetic field generated by the voice coil to create movement. The magnet is usually made from the materials like ferrite or neodymium to ensure a stable and powerful magnetic force. Secondly, the voice coil. The voice coil is a coil of wire that receives the audio signal as an electrical current. When the current flows through the coil, it creates its own magnetic field. This field interacts with the permanent magnetic field, causing the coil to move rapidly back and forth. This movement matches the frequency and strength of the sound signal, allowing accurate sound reproduction. Lastly, the diaphragm or cone. The diaphragm, often shaped like a cone, is attached to the voice coil. As the coil moves, it pushes and pulls the diaphragm. This movement vibrates the surrounding air, creating sound waves that travel to our ears. The material of the diaphragm is usually lightweight but strong, so it can move quickly and precisely.
So, how does magnetism work in a loudspeaker? At the heart of the loudspeaker is an annular permanent magnet. The annular magnet has a central core with the opposite pole to the cylinder surrounding it. These are the main parts of the loudspeaker. A cardboard cone called a diaphragm is connected to a cube with a wire wound around it. You may recognize this as a solenoid. The wires carry the oscillating AC input. The coil fits snugly into the circular cavity of the magnet. This is the rest position when assembled with no input signal. The loudspeaker works by the motor effect. When a current flows in the solenoid, its magnetic field interacts with that of the permanent magnet. Depending on the direction of the current, the solenoid and the diaphragm with it are either pushed out or pulled into the annular magnet. This creates a compression wave moving with the same frequency as the input electrical signal, which spread out as the longitudinal sound wave. The output frequency matches of the input AC signal. The loudness or volume depend on the magnitude of the voltage of that signal. Higher voltage causes a larger motor effect.
Why is magnetism important in a speaker?
The importance of magnetism chiefly in speaker, as we can see the component of speaker, which is permanent magnet, voice coil, and diaphragm. The voice coil is located at the center of permanent magnet to enable movement. Without the magnet, the coil won't move. Now, look at the effect on the diaphragm. If the coil doesn't move, the diaphragm won't vibrate. No vibration means no sound. So, the magnet is the key for the speaker to work. A strong magnetic field gives clear, loud, and accurate sound.
As the loudspeaker is our real-life example, it is used everywhere, like in phone, TV, cars, and computer. They help us enjoy music, learn from video, talk on call, and more. Magnetism play a big role in our daily life. This shows how important magnetism is. Without it, many technology wouldn't work.